Hi guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can shop on the Pinduoduo app. I'm going to show you how you can add your card if you don't have your Alipay, because I use my Alipay on my Pinduoduo. I'm going to show you how to add your card, how to shop on the Pinduoduo app, and how to ship to your warehouse address, like the shipping companies you need to use, because you are shipping internationally, so you need like a freight forwarder to help you ship your goods down to Nigeria. So on the Pinduoduo app, you can import different items, but the only limitations is the language, because Pinduoduo is very different from 1688. Pinduoduo has a lot of, like, everything on Pinduoduo is foreign language. That's the Chinese language, right? It's not like 1688 that is even trying to be fitting for the global market. Pinduoduo is not there yet, but 1688 is there, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Pinduoduo app, how you can chat with suppliers, how you can do everything on the app. And yes, you can import everything and anything on Pinduoduo, but Pinduoduo is a bit expensive compared to 1688, because it is not a wholesalers platform, right? It's for retailers. Majority of people there are retailers, and you can get used phones on Pinduoduo as well. Yes, you can get used phones on Pinduoduo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with people that you know would find this video useful. So let's get right into the video. So there are two ways to sign up into your Pinduoduo. You can either use WeChat to sign up, but I think the WeChat sign up has been, like, it no longer goes again. They will still ask you to log in your address, or you can use Facebook. You can see that I logged in using my Facebook. You can see it here. This is even a new account. I should have documented it, but I logged in using my Facebook. So this is a very easy way to sign up into Pinduoduo, right? If you want me to make a video about that, then just let me know in the comments. So you can get phones from Pinduoduo, but you have to be very careful, right? You can get watches, you can get clothes, food, slippers. Look at these slippers. I think it's for kids. This cute slippers is about 2 yuan, and is running for a discount price. You can see this timer around the slippers. This is the discount price that it is going for. The actual price is 9 yuan, right? And 9 yuan is like $1.2. Yeah, so this is it. Majority of suppliers, they don't usually have a video, and this is where you can chat them up to ask them for a video. I will get to that. So this here is the description. This here is the description of your item here, right? You can ask them for, you can copy the description here. You see these two things here. This first one is copy. So we are going to copy it and paste it in our Google Translate app to see what they wrote there. Let us see the description of the item. Okay, my network is bad today, so that is why it is kind of slow. So you can see that it is autumn 2025, new age reducing cute cartoon leopard cotton slippers. If you read this translation, you can see that this translation was not meant to be, the Chinese words was not meant to be translated, because it doesn't make sense if you read it in English, right? But you can tell that, okay, it is a home slippers, non-slip home slippers 2025. It's a 2025 make, so it's a new make, right? So if we want to chat the supplier for, you can see that people are buying already here. This place here, I think it means people are buying, right? So, but that doesn't matter. You can see that this item has 99 reviews. 99 reviews. 99 people has given this slippers a review. Okay, it's not for kids. Okay, you can see that it is a fine slippers, and a lot of people, it's not even like only video review, it's picture reviews. Okay, that's nice. So when you come down here, when you look down here, you can see chats here. This is where you chat with your suppliers. So you see chat, you click on chat, and then you see this picture of the item here. We are going to click on it so that the supplier will know that that is what you are talking about. So when you click on chat, you wait for it to show up, then you click on it, then it will come up here. So the supplier will know that you are referring to these slippers. So we are not going to chat in English on Pinduoduo, because Pinduoduo, there is a lot, if they know that you are not maybe from, like, you are not from China, they would want to scam you. It is very common in Pinduoduo, so we have to use Chinese to talk to them. So first of all, you copy this one. We copy it. This first one here means copy. So let's go and see what they sent to us. It's just like a greeting message anyways. So let's see it first. You can see, dear, I'm here, what can I do for you? Then we'll ask them, like, oh, I don't have any question in mind. We can just ask them any question. Is this available in stock at the moment? Right, then you paste it here. So they are going to respond to you. So this down here now, where there's chat, you can see store, and you see that the item itself is almost sold out. You see that this store sells only slippers, like all this cute. Oh, it's so fine, they are so fine. So let's screenshot the store and go to Google Translate to see their store. You see they've sold over 154,000 pieces of these slippers. So this supplier is, see, genuine store guarantee, store guarantee. They have that store guarantee. So this is the only, I think this is the only slippers they are running a discount, this first one. So the supplier has responded, so we can copy it again to see their response instead of screenshotting, because that's how I used to do before. I don't know what this means now. You see why to translate some words in Chinese to English is kind of like a problem. So I can just use Google to help to tell me what they wrote there. I say Google, ChatGPT. Well, let me ask them, do you mean it is in stock? Do you mean it is available for purchase? Because I don't understand these people. So if we want to go ahead to buy it, you click on this red button that you see that people are clicking on. What does this mean? Oh, Jesus Christ. See, language barrier is a real thing, I swear. What does photographed mean? So let's just go ahead to buy it. Like, okay, let's just act like we want to buy this item. But before we buy this item, you need to have your shipping address on your shopping app, right? These are the sizes that they have. This one is almost gone, and this one too is almost gone. Oh, this one is 4 yuan, sef. So they deceived us with the price. The price was 2 yuan there, but it's 4 yuan. It's this one that is 2 yuan. Okay, so let me show you how to put in your address. When you look down here, this is your home page, right? Then look at this is streams. This is people that are streaming
继续
online,
抢，
that
好不
are
好？
selling.
这个来吧，
I
开
think
6
this
神
is
在
a
上。
luxury bag.
大马
You
鞍打
can
印，
buy whatever you want
日本
on
系列中的
the live stream,
单新
but
品质的
I
姐妹
don't
们，上市之
advise
前你
because
可以
I've never done it before. So this is sales. This is people that are running sales. Suppliers that are running sales, right? Then this is chats, when you've chat your, where you can find your chats with different suppliers, and this is you. So when you click on you come to this page and you see your own address up here. You see your address up here. Then you can click on address. When you click on address, you cannot put your home address because there's no way they can ship it down to you. So you have to put an address that they can ship to. So my own has already copied and pasted because I copied it from WhatsApp. So I think it automatically pasted. So I'm just going to put my name there. I'm just going to put my name there and click on this red sign. And you can see that my address is already added on their website. Let me see if that is the real address, because okay, you can see that is the same address, and I can edit it because I think my number is not there. Then I'll just put my number here because this is fast food and your number have to be on this thing so that they'll be able to identify your goods with your number, not just your name. Okay, they said it mustn't pass 20, so I have to find a way to put it. I can put it here. I can put my number here, +4 8153273150. So when they want to send the goods, this is the number they will call, this one up here, not my own number, but we can screenshot it to see what it is, right? This is a new Pinduoduo account. My old one, they logged me out and they never logged me back in. I don't know why. So this is the mobile number they are going to call, and this is the address. This is the address I put in. All right, I'm going to be putting Fastfort's link where you can get your own shipping address from, because every shipping address is unique to each person. So now we've successfully added our address. So what next? So payments method, there are two ways you can make payments on Pinduoduo. You can either use your Alipay, which I have an Alipay, or you use your bank card, right? So I will just show you a quick way of using your bank card because it's not everybody that has Alipay. So for example, we want to get these shoes. Let me use these shoes as an example. Right, we want to get these shoes. So you click on the shoes you want to buy, and let me just say size 40. You can see that is this one that is 5 yuan. This shoes is 23 yuan. The actual price is 30 yuan, but discount price is 23 yuan. So you click here, then it will take you to this page. You can see that our address is up here, right? If your address is not on the website, on the app, you can put your address up here. Then this is where you can change payment method. This is Alipay, this is debit card or credit card. This is what's this one? This is bank card. So you need to have a Mastercard to do this, right? So this is it here. So when you click on your payment method, you click on this red button here. You click on this red button, and then it will take you to another page, right? What's this? Let's see what it is. You can see add bank card payments. So this is where you add your bank card payments, right? So there are different kinds of card, but we'll just add our card here. You put your card number here, or you can snap your card. Yes, you can snap your card. So you put it here, you put in your PIN, then you click on next, then you put your CVV, and the rest this thing. So I don't have a physical card, I have a virtual card. so I will not be using it in this class because it's very hard to find. So when you do that, it will be added and you can make payments that way. But if you want to, if you have your Alipay, you just click on Alipay and you click on process, and it will just automatically go to your Alipay app, and then you can just pay. So I'm not going to pay because I don't need a shoe, right? So I'm going to cancel this. I'm not going to pay this. So that's how to make payments and add your address, add your this thing, add your bank card, chat with suppliers, and yeah. So before you get an item from a supplier, make sure that they have reviews on that item. You can see that this item alone has over 7,000 reviews, 7,000 with videos, right? 7,000 reviews. Then you can click on their store to also see their store, and this store only sells what? They only sell air dryers, and it is at a very good price, right? Yes. So that is that for this class. This bag is really cute, but I don't think it comes with the accessories. Okay, it comes with the accessories, so that's nice. Let me see. Okay, with the accessories it's 29 yuan, but what's this? So anything you don't understand on the app, you can just screenshot and take it to your translate. You can see that me, I don't know Chinese. You don't need to know Chinese before you know anything on the app. You just take it there and you snap and you see what you want to see. If you don't understand majority of the things, you can chat up the supplier, send them the product first and chat them up. I can ask them, does it come with accessories? Does it come with accessories? I don't have time to translate, so I'll just send it that way. So yeah, that's that for this, and catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and follow, and yeah.